It's a cool looking cube, but how do you do it? Hello people, here is how you make a fused Siamese Rubik's cube. Just like the one on the screen. What you gotta do is you take the Rubik's cube and you take out the 3 corners on each cube, just like that, and then you cut you take 3 middle of the core and you cut the edges just like that, and then you just glue them together, glue the cores together, and you get that. And then all you got to do is put your 6 corners, 3 on each cube, and you're done. So it's not too complicated. Good night.